Hello guys, welcome to my vlog again. Delete this too. I forget to say. This video is for how to make escape tsunami. Map only guys, map only. Get this model. Ay, ba't clipboard? Ayan, get that model.
Anak, huwag kang magliyad.
Get that model. Model. The name. Oh. Name this map. Delete this. Or no. Or save it for tsunami soon. Now this is trees, but if you don't have trees, you can delete it. It's on you. Save it for later. Paste it on workspace. Only a map guys. Thank you guys. Thank you. Out.